Hello, everybody. ZrCoin, the world's first blockchain options for industrial productions. So, what is ZrCoin? ZrCoin is the first ever blockchain for investing in the production of in-demand industrial material. ZrCoin is not susceptible to inflation or typical cryptocurrency volatility, as such is a reliable tool for preservation of growth of capital funds. After production launches, the manufacturer will buy up a minimum of $400,000 worth of ZrCoin per month. Investors can redeem their ZrCoin for physical zirconium oxide if they prefer. So this is a pretty cool case of using an ICO to raise funds to build an actual industrial factory using the Waves platform. So therefore it's not really a speculative tool for pump and dumps like most ICOs and cryptocurrencies are, because we'll be able to redeem the coins for physical zirconium. So actually it's blockchain technology that's backed by a metal, so that's pretty cool. What's very interesting is that from March 2018 that they will be buying up their ZrCoin every month, so we should see a monthly pump, and the aim of the game should be buy at the bottom of the pump and then sell at the top. So that's cool. So we're looking at their roadmap on their website. So they have invested $1 million in the R&D. I think they raised up to $9 million, which is enough to build their factory. And at the moment they are building the factory. They are posting pictures on their Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bear in mind, this is a Russian company, and Russian companies tend not to be that active on social media, but they are building factory at the moment, and they have started buying up their coins back. That is cool. This is a picture of the proposed factory, and as I said, I have seen pictures and videos of the construction of the company, so it is a project that's going ahead. So, but even if the project's going ahead, how can we trust these people? Well, Sasha Ivanov, the CEO of the Wave platform, is taking an advisory role on this project. He's the head of the Wave platform. So I'm quite happy that this is a legitimate project. They are building it and they are delivering their product. So what is zirconium oxide? Well, as high thermal expansion, meaning that it can take a lot of heat without changing shape, which makes it highly resistant to cracks. It's used for sealing technology, ceramic pipes and tubes, and to contain uranium fuel to create fission. So nuclear power plants are buying up this product. So this is it is something that is being used. So I spent some time researching various different sources for analysis on the popularity of zirconium. I can tell you that China is developing a huge interest in zirconium. Most countries in the world don't produce zirconium, and since this company is based in Russia, Russia imports a lot more zirconium than it produces. And I got this chart from Crypto Portfolio, found on YouTube, Telegram, and Twitter, and it's like a 9-to-1. It's like a 9-to-1 relationship of what they import and what they produce. So it seems like a good business model. Seems like a good business, and it's a real project. The real project is using cryptocurrency. So that is cool. So let's have a look at the Waves platform. Whoa. Out of the way. So last month it hit off this low that it hit before, and can't exactly say that history will repeat itself, but these are the kind of price. This is the strongest resistance level at the moment. And history repeats itself. Investing now will get, of course, multiples in profit. And throughout the week, I mean, the price is volatile. The MACD is favorable. The MACD is saying that there is momentum is building up for this at the moment while it's in its lower half of its cycle. So if they are buying it up once a month, then it looks like that we're at a good time to invest. I've already made a profit on this, so I'm happy that I bought it down here. Happy me. So at the moment, ZrCoin is now one of my favorite projects at the moment, and is on the Waves platform. So if you want to invest in ZrCoin, it's on the Waves platform. Just go to the Waves platform. You can transfer Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, ZCash, Dash, and more to the Waves platform. And of course, there's gateways where you can purchase Waves directly in exchange for ZrCoin. And if you don't have any Bitcoin, I have a link down below to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin and get $10 free. If you want more information about the Waves platform, you can contact Malta on Waves Facebook page. We're using the Waves platform to launch an ICO using the DEX. Facebook.com/PG/Malta Waves. Search Malta Waves or Malta on Waves and you can find it on Facebook. Check out the Waves platform. You can also check out BitcoinPrice.com for more news about cryptocurrency, trading, and crypto anarchy. Live free or die trying.